Welcome, fearless explorers. We've ventured deep into the E-mini S&P 500 jungle, where every price swing is a lurking predator and the vines of volatility threaten to slow us down. Grab your binoculars and let's hack through the undergrowth to unearth the watering holes, our key levels, and dodge the beasts stalking our profits. Let's jump right into it. Key buy and sell, levels or ranges. Value, area high, VAH, 6,955, behaving like a towering mahogany tree in the canopy. If price pushes through, it is venturing into the sunlit heights. Value, area low, VAL, 6,940, a muddy marsh where the hippos rest. A breach signals a deeper trek into the bearish undergrowth. Point of control, POC, 6,945, the central watering hole where most trade wildlife congregated over the current session. Support zone, 6,933 to 6,940. A thick patch of ferns providing cover. Strong bids are nesting here. Resistance zone, 6,955 to 6,966, like a jagged limestone ridge, difficult to scale without significant buying stamina. Single prints. Escape paths, lower, 6,933. A narrow animal trail rarely trodden, ripe for responsive entries on a quick reversal. Upper, 6,966. A high mountain pass. If price darts through, follow the momentum of the pack. Market context. Today's profile looks like a dense thicket after a sudden storm. The market has tumbled from the high canopy of 7,000 into the lower shrubs, currently consolidating between 6,933 and 6,966. While the bulls are trying to find their footing on the jungle floor, the previous day's higher altitude remains a distant memory. The CVD shows positive movement, suggesting some hunters are returning to the trail, but caution is warranted near the ridge. 3-day trek through the wilderness. Day 3, February 2nd. POC, 7,004. High, 7,022. Low, 6,865. Bulls were swinging through the vines at record heights. Day 2, February 3rd. POC, 7,016. High, 7,027. Low, 6,886. The jungle was dense and high, but a predatory storm began to brew. Day 1, February 4th. POC, 6,945. High, 6,966. Low, 6,933. A sudden fall from the high branches as the canopy gave way. Value has shifted significantly lower over the last session, and today is attempting to establish a new camp. Acceptance above VAH would crown a temporary recovery, while failure at the marsh of VAL invites a deeper descent into the ravine. Volume analysis. Cumulative volume, delta, CVD. Breakdown. Session. Open. CVD, 1,658 contracts. Our safari day began with some optimistic tracks in the dirt. Intraday peak. Buying, CVD, climbed to 7,264. A massive foraging party of buyers attempting to reclaim the high ground. Current CVD, 3,869 net positive, 2,211 from open, meaning the buyers still hold the clearing but have lost some ground since the peak. Intraday low, CVD, low, negative 2,580, a brief stampede of sellers that momentarily cleared the watering hole. Interpretation. Aggressive buy-side delta remains net positive for the session. Any further rally will need to defend the current clearing to push past the ridge at 6,955. Risk management considerations. Long trades. Entry zone, near VAL, 6,940 to 6,945. Stop loss, below the low brush at approximately 6,933, or use average true range ATR approximately 6 points below entry. Profit target. Initial target at POC 6,945. Major target at VAH 6,955. Short trades. Entry zone on rejection of VAH 6,955 to 6,960, or breakdown through VAL. Stop loss above the ridge at approximately 6,966, or ATR above entry. Profit target POC for first partial, then VAL. Position sizing, use a maximum 1 to 2% account risk per idea, equalized by stop distance. Trail stops to the last defended level after first target. Potential scenarios and trade setups. Scenario A, acceptance above VAH. Jungle Explorers torch through the high canopy at 6,955. Setup. Enter long above 6,955 with stop at 6,945. POC. Target 6,970 plus on momentum continuation. Scenario B. Rejection at VAH. Market beasts roar and slam back down from 6,955 to 6,960. Setup. Short on first failure off VAH. Stop above 6,966. Target POC, then VAL. Scenario C. Failure at VAL. Price breaches the muddy marsh at 6,939. Setup. Short a break below 6,940. Stop above 6,946. Recent swing high. Target 6,933 single print area. Scenario D. Value bounce. Price dips into the marsh but finds life. Buyers sniff out hidden relics. Setup. Long at 6,940. Stop at 6,933. Target POC, then VAH. Smash the like and subscribe button. Click the bell to receive content notifications. Remember, the future belongs to the focused. Stay disciplined, stay curious, and as always, trade smart, trade strong, and never stop leveling up. I'll see you in the markets.